Children, how are you all? All are enjoying? Okay, now children, we will start our lesson number 8. Okay, part 2. Editing in a WordPad. Editing in WordPad. Now children, last time in part 1, what I taught you, do you remember? Do you remember what we have done in the WordPad, editing WordPad? We have seen opening a document. Do you remember how to open document? Okay. Now children, also we have seen editing a document. Editing means making changes in the document. Then I showed you how to do copy and paste. Copy and paste in the WordPad. How to copy the text and paste it. Then we have seen paste also and cut command also. Moving text. Copy paste and cut paste. Do you remember all this? How to do cut paste, how to do copy paste. Okay, now children, now we will start with the remaining lesson. Page number 44, searching the text. Searching text. What is searching? Searching means to find something, okay, which you want. See, search means to find. Okay, you can search for a word or a special character in your document. Suppose your document is very big, okay, and in that big document you want to find out some name which is there in the document. Fine, suppose one word you want to find out in the whole document. What we will do? We will do find command. We will use find command. See, searching the text, you can search for a word in your document. Now, what is the command which we use to search the text? See, we use find command to search text in a document. Find, F-I-N-D. Okay, where is this command? Can you see? See, in the home tab, in the editing group, last group on the ribbon, you can see in the home tab, last group, there is a find command. There is a find option. We will click on that to search for the word. How to do that I will show you. See, when we click on the find option, we get like this dialog box on the screen. What we get? Like this window. Okay, this is the find dialog box. You can see there, find is written over there on the blue bar. Okay, and what you have to do in find what, you can see there one white square rectangle. In that you type the word which you want to find, and click on find next. You can see there is option find next. I will show you how to do find command. Okay children, now look here. Children, now we will see a find and replace command. Okay, first we will see find. How to find a text in a document. Okay, now to search any word which is there in your document, you can use a find command. Which command? Find command. Now see here, in the home tab, you can see in the home tab there is a editing group. Okay, this is editing group. Here you can see, and here this is find command up. Okay, find and replace is there. First we will see find, how to find a text or a word. Okay, now this is your paragraph. Okay, this is a document. In that we have one paragraph. Here you keep your cursor on the top, first line, first word. Okay, see here, you can see this cursor blinking line. Okay, now click on this word, find. Click on this command, find. See, you can see the shortcut key of the find is Ctrl plus F. Okay, to find the text in a document. Click here with the mouse. Okay, now you will get this dialog box, find dialog box. Can you see this find dialog box? You can move it anywhere on the screen. Now this is find dialog box. Here what you have to do is, in this find what, can you see this find what? Here you type a word which you want to find in a document. Okay, now I want to find happiness, word happiness. Okay, so I will type this word happiness, HAPPINESS, happiness. Now see here. Okay, there are two options. One is match whole word only and match case. Case means uppercase, lowercase, capital letter, small letter. Okay, these are two options. Match whole word only. If you will click match whole word, it will find out the same word from your document. Okay, we will click here match whole word. Now click find next. Click on the find next. Can you see in the document the happiness word is highlighted? Okay, see, we are searching for happiness word, so you can see it is highlighted. So when your document is very big and you want to search some name or some word, you can use this find command. Which command? Find command. Understood, children, how to do find? Children, I hope you all understood find command. Okay, now replacing the text. Now we will see replacing the text. Replacing means what? Replace means change it. Replace means change it. Suppose in the document one name is there, Amit. Okay, and you want to change it, change that name with Amar. Okay, now how you will change? It is there in the document 10 times. Are you going to type, delete and type the name 10 times? No. I will show you the easier way to change it. Okay, in the word pad you can use replace command, replace option to change the word, How to change it? Now in the same tab, in the home tab, in the editing group, there is a replace option. Okay, children, in that when you will click on that replace option, you will get like this dialog box. Now see, this is the replace dialog box. Here 2 columns you will get, 2 blank space. Okay, 2 blank spaces you will get there. Now find what? In find what you have to write the name which you want to change or the text which you want to change. Okay, find what? That text and replace it with the text which you want to change with that change name you write in this replace box. Okay, children, and then you will click on the find next and replace button. I will show you how to do this replace command. Now see your children.
Now children, we will see replace command. Which command? Replace command. Okay. This replace command is there in the home tab and editing group. You can see there. Okay. And below that find command, you can see this replace command. Now what you have to do? What is replace? Replace means you can use this command to change the previous text with a new word. So what you will do? Just click on this replace. First you keep your cursor at the beginning of your paragraph. Okay. Now click here on the replace. Okay, click here. See, when you will click on the replace, you will get replace dialog box. See here, this is replace dialog box. You can see. Okay, now here in this, see, you type the word which you want to find, and which you want to replace with. Just find what? Happiness. Okay, and replace it with joy. I want to change this word happiness and I want to replace it with joy. So just type replace with joy and click on find next. Now you can see that happiness and replace. Click on replace. Can you see the word has finished searching the document? Now see, you can see the change in the document. See, it has been replaced with joy. Happiness has been replaced with joy. This is called replace command. This is replace.
Children, I hope you all understood how to do find and replace both the commands. Okay children? Now third we will see inserting the text. Inserting means, what is inserting the text? Inserting means adding a text in your document. Adding text at the cursor position. Suppose you want to add few more lines in your document. What you will do? You will insert the text. Okay. You will insert the text where you want to add it. And first for that you have to keep the cursor at that position. Cursor means blinking, standing blinking line in the document. Okay. That you keep at the point where you want to change, where you want to add it. Okay children, and then start typing the text. It is called inserting text. I will show you how to do that. Okay children. Now next we will see that is deleting text. Deleting means rubbing, erasing. Okay, you erase. How you erase in your notebook? You use eraser. What you use? Eraser. But in the WordPad file, when you want to erase something, right? When you want to erase something is wrong, then what you will write? What you will do? Will you use eraser? Eraser is not there in the computer. What will you use? You will use two keys. There are two keys to delete the text. To delete the text. One is a backspace key and one is a delete key. Which key? Backspace key and delete key. Now children, I will show you how to use, how to insert the text and how to delete the text. Okay children, now just see here.
Now children, we will see how to insert a text. Insert a text in your document. Okay, now you want to change, you want to add some word in your document. How to do that? You first take your cursor to the place where you want to change the word or where you want to add some new word. Okay, children. Now, here near joy, I want to add happiness also. I want to add happiness also. So, what I will do here, I will take my cursor. See, you can see here. Click here. Near joy. Okay. Take your cursor where you want to add new word or new text. And now you can start typing. Type comma happiness. See. Okay. This is called inserting text. Inserting the text. This way. Anywhere, wherever you want to add text, you just take your cursor there and start typing. Okay, children? Now we will see deleting text. How to delete the text? First, see. Now, my cursor is here near happiness. Okay? At the end of this happiness word. Now, I want to delete this happiness. Where is my cursor? At the end. S. At that S. Okay. Now, to delete the text which is to the left hand side. Okay. To delete which is at left side of the cursor, you will press backspace key. Which key? Backspace key. See here. You can see here. This is backspace key. Can you see this key? Backspace. This is backspace key. Okay. Just press that backspace key and you can see the changes. See. Just I am pressing backspace key. You can see. See, the word which is at the left side of the cursor, you can delete using backspace. Okay. Now I want to delete this and also I want to delete. Now, my cursor is at left of the and at the starting. Now, I want to delete the text which is right side of the text. Which key I will use? Now I will not use backspace key. Now use delete key. Which key? Delete key. Can you see this delete key? See here. Delete. Okay. On your keyboard there is a delete key. Press that delete key and see what will happen. See, I am pressing delete key. Now see, you can delete the words which are at the left of your cursor. I will delete more words. See, when you start deleting, delete, it will delete left of the cursor, and when you press the backspace key, it will delete right side of the cursor. See, you can delete the word of right side of your cursor by using backspace key. Understood, children, how to use delete key and backspace? Now I am using delete key. See, I deleted whole text. Now, to delete whole paragraph or whole text or whole file, when you want to delete the text of full file, you press first hold control key. Which key? Control key. Press it and at the same time press A. At the same time press A alphabet. Okay. Press and hold the control key and press A. It will select your full document. See, I am pressing. Now, I selected whole text. Okay. And now just press delete key. Press delete key. And see what will happen. See, I will press delete key. Now whole text will get removed. Understood, children? How to do? How to select whole text? See here. I will show you again. Now, first Control plus A, press Control key, press and hold and press A to select whole document, and then press delete key, press delete. It will delete whole text. Understood, children? Control plus A and delete key.
Children, I hope you all understood how to insert the text and how to delete the text. Right, children? Which key we have used to delete the text? One is a backspace key and one is delete key. Okay, backspace key, suppose this is your cursor and you want to delete right side of the text, you will use backspace key. And this is the cursor, when you want to delete the left side of the cursor, you will use delete key. Understood, children? Now, see, to remove all the text from the document, how I showed? Control plus A and press delete key. Which key you will press? Delete key. Okay, children? Control plus A. You will hold the control key and you will press the A. Your whole document will get select. Okay, and then press delete key. Whole text will get removed. Whole text will get removed from the document to erase full document. Understood how to do A, Control plus A and delete. Now, children, we have seen copy paste and cut paste also. There are shortcut keys to do copy, paste and cut. Shortcut keys means using keyboard. Using keyboard, you can do copy, you can do paste and you can do cut also. We have seen already how to do copy, how to do paste and cut. Okay, now we will see what are these shortcut keys to do copy. Instead of clicking on the copy command, you press the control key, press and hold control key and press C. It will copy the text. It will copy the text. Next, paste command. Paste, control, press and hold the control key and press V alphabet. Press V. It will paste the text which you have copied. Understood, children? And next, cut command. Which command? Cut means moving the text. Okay, move it from the document. Control plus X. Control plus X. What you have to do? You have to press and hold the control key and press X alphabet and press X alphabet on the keyboard. It will cut the text. It will cut the text. Remove. Okay, and then you can paste it at the other place, new place. Cut paste we have seen already. Copy paste also we have seen. Cut paste also we have seen. These are the shortcut keys to do cut, copy and paste. Understood, children? Now, I hope you all understood this full lesson. How to open a document, how to change the document, how to make editing a document, then copying text, paste it and cut the text. Cut means moving the text. And today we have seen, what we have seen today? Searching the text means find command and replacing the text, find and replace command. And also we have seen inserting the text and deleting the text. Okay, children, now you do this practice at home on the computer. Open WordPad and type one paragraph. In that paragraph you try to use all these options, all these commands, and do practice. Okay children, have a nice day. Bye.